Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning in again to this yoga practice with me. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Let's get started by coming to a seated position on our mat, cross-legged, comfortable position. Feel free to drop the hands wherever it works. And we'll begin by gently closing the eyes and beginning to tune into the breath. Just watch as the breath moves in through the nose and fills all the empty spaces and crevices within. Watch as it moves simultaneously through the front and back body, almost like a 3D breath. Today we'll be focusing on the theme of surrender. And what that means is really paying respect and allowing ourselves to surrender and relish every movement and every breath. Feel free to set an intention for this practice in terms of what you'd like to see for the rest of the week, the rest of the day, or simply during the practice. When you're ready, please flutter the eyes open and come into a tabletop position. So we'll begin with a few rounds of cat-cow, but we're going to go diagonally. So on the inhale, we drop the belly, lift the chest, look up, and then shift to the right, letting our head and neck drop. On the exhale, come back to table. On the inhale, drop the belly, lift the chest, look up. On the exhale, shift to the left, drop the neck. Inhale back to tabletop. Exhale here. Next inhale, drop the belly, lift the chest, look up. Exhale to the right. Inhale back to tabletop. Exhale. On the next inhale, belly drops, chest lifts, look up. Exhale to the left. Feel free to do this a few more times. Really stretching in to the side body. Dropping and surrendering into the side body. And then when you're ready, come back to that neutral tabletop position. And from here, on the inhale, we'll raise the right arm up, straight line of energy forward. Left leg lunges back, energy back. See if you can try to hug the navel in to feel a bit of an activation here. And let's hold here for 3 breaths. the exhale, bring the palm and the knee down. Deep inhale here, deep exhale. On the next hip, inhale, left arm reaches forward, right leg reaches back, hugging in, navel to spine. Let's hold here for 3 breaths. On the next exhale, palm, knee, come back down to the mat. Another deep inhale here. Exhale, let's come into a downward facing dog. For our first downward facing dog, our hands are spread wide and evenly onto the mat. Arms are about shoulders distance apart, legs about hips distance apart. Tailbone is lengthening up towards the sky. And just take any movements. Feel free to feel free to bend that right knee and then the left knee, pedaling out the feet. Our shoulders are broad. Our elbows are hugging in, rotating in for a bit of an extra stretch. Let yourself move freely for a while in our first downward facing dog. When you're ready, please step in between the hands to a forward fold, and on the inhale, sweep the arms up to a mountain pose. Let's ground ourselves in mountain pose for a few breaths, feeling the ground beneath our feet as all 4 corners of our feet ground and root into the mat. Feet are parallel. We can be touching with a slight gap. Hands can be at prayer position or down to the side. Our tailbone is lengthening down as our chest is lifted all the way up through the spine. So we're feeling a sensation of rootedness and lengthening simultaneously. Another few deep inhales and exhales here. Watching any sensations in the body. Keep the jaw relaxed, the forehead is unfurled. And on the next inhale, as we'll be preparing to go into a few rounds of Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. So on the next inhale, we sweep the arms up, look up, gentle back bend. Exhale, fold forward at the hips, palms to mat. Inhale, lunge the right leg back, drop the back knee. Inhale, sink back to the hips. Exhale, palms to mat. Right leg joins the back, steps back to plank. Deep inhale here. Exhale, knees, chin, chest, come down to the mat. Inhale to cobra. Exhale to downward facing dog. On the next exhale, step in between the hands. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, left leg lunges back, drop the back knee. Inhale, sweep the arms up, sink back, keeping our legs, strengthen the legs. Exhale, palms to mat. Step back to plank. Deep inhale here. Exhale, knees, chest, chin, come down to the mat. Inhale to baby cobra. Exhale to downward facing dog. Let's go again. On the next exhale, step in between the hands. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale to flat back. Exhale, right leg lunges back, drop the back knee. Inhale, sweep the arms up, sink back at the hips. Exhale, fold, palms to mat, step back to plank. Deep inhale here, strong core. Belly hugging in towards the navel. Exhale, knees, chest, chin, come down to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale to downward facing dog. On the next exhale, step in between the hands. Inhale, sweep the arms up, look up, gentle back bend. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale to flat back. Exhale, left leg lunges back, drop the back knee. On the inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, palms to mat, step back to plank. Deep inhale here, exhale, knees, chest, chin, come down to the mat. Inhale, roll the shoulders back to cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's go one more time. On the exhale, step in between the hands. On the inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale to flat back. Exhale, right leg lunges back, drop the back knee. On the inhale, sweep the arms up, look up. Exhale, palms to mat, step back to plank. Deep inhale here, exhale, knees, chest, chin, come down to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale to downward facing dog. On the next exhale, step in between the hands. On the next inhale, sweep the arms up, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale to flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Left leg lunges back, drop the back knee. On the inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, palms to mat. Step back to plank. Deep inhale here, exhale, knees, chest, chin, come down to the mat. Inhale, roll back to cobra. Exhale, we this time go to child's pose. Let's ground into child's pose. Bring your attention to the breath. Notice any changes within the body. Relax the jaw. Soften the eyes. And just breathe here. When you're ready, please rise into a tabletop and then up to a downward facing dog. When we're all at downward facing dog, so we'll give you a few more moments to get there. Let's step the right leg in. Let's step the right leg towards the right thumb. Drop the back heel of the left foot, and on the inhale, let's rise to a warrior one. Let's just hold in warrior one. So our front knee is bent in line with our ankle. We're pressing into all four corners of our feet. Just stay in this warrior one pose. One more breath here. Deep inhale. Exhale, draw the arms back towards the back to runner's lunge. On the inhale, we raise the arms up, sweep up. On the exhale, draw the energy back. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, we draw the energy back. Straight line of energy pointing forward. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, draw the energy back. Final inhale, sweep the arms up. On the next exhale, palms to mat, downward facing dog. Let's go on the other side. On the next exhale, bring that left foot to the left thumb, drop the back heel. On the inhale, sweep the arms up. Let's stay here for a few breaths, centering and grounding into this posture. Warrior one. See what it feels like to shift the pressure from the inner and outer arches. Just stabilize here. Deep inhale. On the exhale, runner's lunge. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, runner's lunge. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, straight line of energy pointing forward. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, straight line of energy pointing forward. Next inhale. Exhale to runner's lunge. Inhale to warrior one. And on the next exhale, we bring the palms to the mat and float back into a downward facing dog. So we're going to build on this. Stay here for a few breaths. On the next exhale, bring that right foot to the right thumb, drop the back heel, and rise on the next inhale to warrior one. We'll do that flow again. On the exhale, draw the hands back. On the inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, draw the arms back. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, draw the arms back. On the next inhale, we'll draw the energy up and float that back leg up to warrior three. Hands can be at heart center or pointing back. Chest is lifted. Back leg is also lifted. See if you can raise the chest. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Ground into that front foot. On the next exhale, drop the back leg. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, palms to mat. Let's go back to downward facing dog. Deep inhale here. On the next exhale, bring that left foot to the left thumb. Drop the back heel. On the inhale, sweep the arms up. On the exhale, draw the energy back. The hands. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, sweep the arms back. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, sweep the arms back. On the next inhale, we sweep the arms up. draw the energy up into a warrior 3. It's okay if we wobble. So in warrior 3, our chest is lifted, leg is pointing straight back. Arms can be at heart center or pointing back. Let's stay here for 2 more breaths. On the next exhale, drop that back foot. On the inhale, sweep the arms up. And on the exhale, bring the palms back down to downward facing dog. And let's just pedal out the feet in downward facing dog. Take any movements front to back. And we'll let it all out with one more flow. Deep inhale here, exhale to plank. Another inhale here, exhale, knees, chest, chin, come down to mat. Inhale, roll the shoulders back to cobra. Exhale to child's pose. Let's stay in child's pose for a few more breaths, surrendering to the sensations in the body, surrendering to the breath. On the next inhale, please rise up to a tabletop position and then float into a downward facing dog. On the next downward facing dog, from here, the right foot will step towards that right thumb. We'll drop the back heel, sweep the arms up, and this time we'll clasp the fingers behind our back. So this time we can have a bit of a space between the front and back leg. Let's take a deep inhale here. And exhale, we'll fold forward. Hands can come behind to a humble warrior. And just let yourself use the breath to guide yourself deeper into this fold. We'll draw the right hip back. Two more breaths here. On the next inhale, please rise back up. Sweep the arms up. On the exhale, palms to mat. Go to downward facing dog. Deep inhale here. On the exhale, bring that left foot to the left thumb. Drop the back heel. Sweep the arms up to warrior 1. And then we'll clasp our fingers, interlace the fingers the opposite way. Deep inhale here. Exhale, we fold into a humble warrior. If you need to adjust the feet for a bit more stability, feel free to do that. And then when you're there, draw that right hip back, left hip forward, and send the neck, the head down into that fold, all the while using the breath to deepen into this beautiful, humble warrior. Surrendering into the humble warrior asana. One more deep inhale here. And then please begin to rise back into a warrior one. Inhale here, exhale, palms to mat, downward facing dog. From here, let's bring our knees down and hips to heel, come to a child's pose. A few more deep inhales here. On the next exhale, please bring your chest down. Come to, so we're now lying on our bellies. Our hands can be in cobra position. And we'll do some gentle back bends. So on the inhale, let's come to baby cobra. Exhale, head down. Inhale to baby cobra. Root into the pelvis. Exhale, head down. Inhale to baby cobra. Exhale, head down. This time, send the arms back. And on the inhale, begin to lift the chest using the strength of the back body, rooting into the pelvis. Exhale, head down. This time, on the next lift, see if you can lift those legs. Inhale, lift the chest and lift the legs. Hold here. Deep inhale, exhale here. One more inhale. On the next exhale, come back down. So from here, let's send both our arms forward, so just pointing forward. And begin to flip the left hand, the palm of the left hand up. Lift the chest and then send that palm back to grab the left foot for a gentle twist. And just look back towards that left foot. Deep inhale here. Exhale. Bring the head down. Send the foot and the hand back to that original spot. Deep inhale here. Exhale. Reach with that right arm for the right leg for a gentle twist. Deep inhale here. Exhale. Head comes down. Feet and hands come forward. Bring those hands to the side. Shift up into a tabletop position. And then come into a seated asana. From here, bring the hands back. And gently lift the hips up. Look back. On the exhale, hips come back down. And we'll now shift onto the other side, parallel to the mat, because we'll need a bit more space for our legs. Or at least that's the position I'm putting in. And bring the legs straight out in front. On the inhale, sweep the arms up, root down. On the exhale, fold forward towards both legs. With each inhale, lengthen forward. With each exhale, fold down. Let your hands fall wherever they will. This is not about simply reaching and hunching forward, but gracefully first lengthening and then falling down. Lengthening and falling. You may notice that you can use the breath to deepen and dive further down. On the next inhale, gently begin to rise up through the torso. And we'll take that right leg and we'll cross it over the left knee. We'll raise the left arm up, right hand goes back. On the exhale, twist towards the right. So our left elbow is hugging, almost like we could go around that right knee. And we're looking back. With each inhale, we're lengthening up. With each exhale, we're twisting towards the right hand. Bring softness into the face, the eyes, the jaws. And if that right hip has shifted too far back, feel free to bring it forward to even out the hips a bit. On the next inhale, begin to twist back forward. Unravel from the twist, and let's do the other side. So we'll now bring that right foot straight, the left foot bends and crosses over that right knee. Left hand goes back, it's pointing back. Right arm goes up, and on the exhale, let's twist towards the left. Ground the seat bones evenly onto the mat, and use the exhale to twist further towards the back. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, retwist. On the next exhale, begin to rotate back. Bring the legs back in front. Shake out the feet a little bit. Feel free to take some circular movements with the ankles, drawing circles one way and then the other. And then when you're ready, please bring the heels, so the right and left heel, in towards you to a butterfly. And this time we're going to fold into a butterfly. So on the inhale, we lengthen up. On the exhale, we'll draw our head and neck down. So lengthening and folding down. Feel free to grab the ankles with the fingers. And The heels don't have to come in too far, just what's comfortable for you. So if they stay a little bit further out, that's fine, that's totally fine. Or they can come in. I prefer mine in. On the next inhale, please come back up. We'll sweep the arms up and then twist to the right. Inhale to center. Exhale, we twist to the left. Inhale, center, sweep the arms up. Exhale, we twist to the right. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, we twist to the right. On the next inhale, sweep up and bring the hands down. Close the knees like a book and rotate towards a lying down position. So please come down to the mat on your back. Bring the hands to cactus pose. And then bring that right foot, bend it, and the right ankle crosses onto that left knee. And let's stay here like this for a few breaths. From here, begin to raise that right knee up. Take the fingers and see if you can clasp it behind that left knee. Just stay here breathing. Perhaps you feel a bit of a stretch in that right glute. Right foot can be flexed. On the next exhale, bring that left foot down, unravel the right foot, and we'll go on to the other side. So our left leg comes up, bends, and crosses on that right knee. Our left foot is flexed. We'll stay here for a few breaths. Arms can be at cactus. On the next breath, begin to lift that right foot up, float it up in towards you, so the knee is coming in towards you. The hands can now clasp under that right knee. Let's hold here for a few breaths. Feeling that lovely stretch near the left glute, on the left glute. On the next breath, please bring that right foot down, uncross the leg, place the hands down, so fingertips should be able to graze the heels, and on the next inhale, raise the hips up into a bridge, firmly pressing down into all four corners of the feet. Deep inhale here. Raise higher. Another inhale here. And on the exhale, send those hips back down. Bring the heels so that they're touching. Knees are now splayed out for Supta Baddha Konasana. Hands can be at the belly. And let's just rest here for a few breaths as I lead you through a guided meditation. If it's more comfortable for you, feel free to go into Shavasana with the legs straight, or you can stay in this asana as well. So just begin to tune into the breath. We're now letting go of any kind of controlled breathing. Just watch and observe how the breath naturally flows. Letting yourself surrender into the beauty of the natural breath. Relax the scalp. Unfurl the eyebrows. Unwrinkle the forehead. Slacken the jaw. Drop the shoulders down. Bring lightness into the fingertips. Bring lightness into the toes. Just watch the belly. If your hands are on your belly, just watch as the breath heaves up and down. If any thoughts arise, simply acknowledge their existence and then let go. As we moved through a series of asanas, one after the other, fleetingly, as we experienced different sensations, one after the other, fleetingly, so too our thoughts that come as guests and then go fleetingly. every thought, every movement, every breath that comes and goes. Regardless of the tone, the quality, the light, the darkness, the good, the bad, it all has significance and shall too pass. When you're ready, please shift to one side into a fetal position and begin to gently make your way up into a seated position. Eyes can be closed or gently flutter open. Hands can be at prayer pose at the heart center, or at the thighs, and just continue to breathe here as I read you an excerpt from Rumi's Book of Love. Today's poem is called The Music We Are. Did you hear that winter's over? The basil and the carnations cannot control their laughter. The nightingale, back from its wandering, has been made singing master over all the birds. The trees reach out their congratulations. The soul goes dancing through the king's doorway. Anemones blush because they have seen the rose naked. Spring, the only fair judge, walks in the courtroom, and several December thieves steal away. Last year's miracles will soon be forgotten. New creatures whirl in from non-existence, galaxies scattered around their feet. Have you met them? Do you hear the bud of Jesus pruning? In the cradle, a single narcissus. Flower has been appointed inspector of kingdoms. A feast is set. Listen. The wind is pouring wine. Love, used to hide inside images, no more. The orchard hangs out its lanterns. The dead come stumbling by in shrouds. Nothing can stay bound or be imprisoned. You say, end this poem here and wait for what's next. I will. Poems are rough notations for the music we are. So another lovely poem from Rumi about the fleetingness of seasons, moments, but the significance at the same time of each part in the greater whole, like notes in a musical piece. Thanks so much for tuning in. Namaste.